Alright, so at the moment we've got an overfilled oil scenario, and it says it can damage the catalyst, so I don't know how what condition the catalyst will be in. I did actually drive it about 10 miles. I don't know if you can see this in the light, but that's the oil. It seems to go all the way up to, where is it? It's pretty high anyway, it's about there. It should be down there. This leak on here, you can see it. Leak on the steering fluid, so I turn the steering wheel around. But no, the main issue here is this water bottle here. You see all the corrosion around it. Down in here, we've got some severe corrosion down the bottom there. And that's one of the places that's really bad. Another place is down there. You can see that. But yeah. So underneath, I've got the sump is pretty much leaking because it's full of oil. It was repaired, but it's this seal here that's really gone on it. Timing belt still alright. It's yeah, the rest of the car is a bit of a mess. A bit of a burn in the exhaust there. Lots of leaking oil, so I'm trying not to touch. Couldn't get the drainer off the sump, so I could get the oil out. And I don't know how far up under here I can get. Let's see if it's and I don't know where the catalyst is. I forgot to have a look at the text. But yeah, this is pretty much how the car looks underneath. It's a bit of a mess. No idea what that is, but it's covered in oil. But yeah, it's pretty bad. Tried to take the battery out the other day and find out what the problem was with the starter motor. To be honest, the starter motor has been a bit dodgy for a while. It would probably start up with a jump start. Your problem is then that you would start up with the oil light on, and it would be beeping because there's no oil pressure. I think what's happened is I put stop leak in here, it's gone into the engine and ended up in the sump. So the sump strainer is now full of shit, and that's why we lost the oil pressure and the car refused to keep driving. Along with, you know, cooling it in the engine probably weren't a good idea. But anyway, what can you do? Hope that answers your question anyway, about where the catalyst is. Like I say, it is overfilled, so I don't know what condition it's in, or whether it's an original catalyst or what. But yeah, a little more on this Polo, which I'm hoping to get rid soon. So I'm having to pay for parking there, which is not good, and a waste of money at this point. Alright. Anything else you want to know, let me know.